In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import data from Google Sheets to Excel. To begin, open the spreadsheet you want to move over in Google Sheets. Make sure you are viewing the correct file and the latest version of your data. If multiple people edit the sheet, it is a good idea to wait until changes finish syncing so the download includes everything you need. Once your Google Sheet is open, go up to the top left area of the screen and click File. This opens a menu with several options related to saving, sharing, and exporting your spreadsheet. In that menu, find and select Download. The download option is what creates a copy of your Google Sheet in a different file format that other programs, like Microsoft Excel, can open. After you click Download, a list of formats will appear. Choose Microsoft Excel. This is the standard Excel workbook format, and it is the best option when you want the file to open smoothly in Excel with your table structure intact. When you select it, Google Sheets will create the Excel file and your browser will download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go to your Downloads folder automatically, or you may be prompted to choose a location. Now locate the downloaded SSX file and open it directly in Microsoft Excel. You can do this by double-clicking the file or by opening Excel first and then using the Open option to browse to the downloaded file. When the workbook opens, take a moment to confirm that everything imported correctly. Check that your columns and rows are aligned, that headings appear as expected, and that numbers and dates look right. If the sheet had multiple tabs in Google Sheets, those tabs should appear as separate worksheets in Excel. At this point, your data is in Excel and ready to work with. You can save it in your usual project folder and continue editing, analyzing, or sharing it as an Excel workbook. And that is all there is to it.